Hi guys, this activity which I found on houseview.com and I edited a little bit goes over compound sentences and the use of fanboys to connect two simple sentences to form a compound sentence. So there are several simple sentence examples provided where you would cut out the sentences and place them next to each other. Then with the cutout fanboys that you saw on the first slide, the students will be able to form the two simple sentences and create a compound sentence. Um, so here is an example. I finished my homework early. I went outside. And the student would be able to see both of these sentences and then put them together with the so and find I finished my homework early, so I went outside to play. And then after they would be able to write this on a separate sheet of paper. I would use this activity with 3rd to 4th grade students because it would be able to help them visualize compound sentences and how to put them together with fanboys, and it would help them understand which fanboys to use combining these different types of compound simple sentences. With this, I would make sure all pieces are cut out beforehand and laminated so they are more durable for the students to use over and over again. After the students use these cutouts to find out what fanboys to use to combine the sentences, they will use scratch paper, like I said before, to write new compound sentences out. And I like this activity since the students will be able to see how fanboys can connect two simple sentences to form compound sentences. This activity could be used in literacy centers or as a guided lesson with the whole group or in small groups. And I feel like it would be very helpful because they would be able to visualize what to do first, and then they would be able to write it down in the correct compound sentence format. Thank you for listening. Hope you have a great day.